Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
AirPod Pro pausing often happens because sensors detect ear removal or poor fit. This causes automatic ear detection to stop playback when sensors register motion or occlusion. Dirt, sweat, or an improper seal can trigger false detections and cause pauses. Bluetooth interference or low battery levels can also interrupt audio unexpectedly. Software bugs in iOS or firmware sometimes misinterpret sensor data and pause sound. Start by confirming whether smart sensor features are enabled on your device settings. We will walk through settings, cleaning, firmware, and resets step by step. Open Settings on iPhone and tap Bluetooth to find your AirPods Pro. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods and toggle automatic ear detection off, then test playback. If pausing stops, leave it off or toggle it back on after a firmware update. Next, clean the sensors and speaker meshes using a dry, soft brush or cloth. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes white. Finally, update iOS to the latest version and check AirPods firmware under About AirPods. Use ear tip fit test in Settings Bluetooth to ensure a secure seal. Replace ear tips if test shows poor results and wrong fit. Avoid heavy moisture exposure and remove visible debris from sensors to prevent false pauses. Test playback with another device and with only one AirPod to isolate hardware from software issues. If problems continue, contact Apple support for diagnostics or visit an Apple store for service options. Keep firmware and iOS updated, and avoid third-party cases that press sensors or change fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.